Saturday. It's finally sunny out and I'm finally feeling better. So today we are going to be filming a couple of things. I'm going to go to Enze Bakery, which is a very viral bakery in Sydney. They recently just sold 1,000 cakes in a day for Mother's Day. So I am going to be filming a little bit behind the scenes in the kitchen, and that's going to be for an exciting brand. So stay tuned for that. And then I want to try a halal snack pack. If you haven't heard of it, it is a street food that is only in Australia, and it's kind of a mix of Middle Eastern and European influences, but I would say it seems kind of like halal guys meets poutine. So you have the halal meat, you have the sauces, but it's on top of cheese and fries. So I'm going to be filming that as well. It's going to be a fun day of finally going out of our Macquarie bubble and seeing a little bit more of Sydney.
Chicken stick.
Oh, wow, that's very good. Okay. Can I take another bite? Oh, it's smoky. Yo, oh my god.
Happy Monday. We had such a fun weekend. So on Saturday, we went shooting at the bakery and also shot the halal snack pack. We went to dinner with a friend at a restaurant called Midden. So they focus on Aboriginal or indigenous food. And our friend was very adventurous, so he wanted to try smoked kangaroo, emu, and also tandoori crocodile. So we tried all those. And it also happens to be Vivid Sydney for the next couple of weeks, so there's crazy light displays around the Sydney Harbour. And on Sunday, we woke up early to go to the Sydney Fish Market, and we tried so much fresh seafood. We tried things like Moreton Bay bugs, which is kind of like a cross between a lobster and a shrimp. It's only in Australia. And we also tried sushi tacos, king crab legs, and oysters caviar. It was very delicious. But now it's Monday. It was raining all last week, and I slipped on a puddle and I ruined my sneakers. So I found this place called the Sneaker Laundry, which is actually in the metro station, and they clean your sneakers, and they also have really good matcha. So I just dropped my shoes off there and just went to a sandwich shop, and now I'm going to go to a coffee shop, get a flat white, and do some work.